What is up, you guys? This is Kiro over here, and welcome back to another Transport 6 video. Today we're back in a Baker. Oh my god, I can't speak. Today we're back in the Bakerloo line again, and we're gonna actually. I could try doing a full time. Oh my god, I could try doing a full timetable service today, but if I don't have enough storage in my thing, then then I'm just like stop till probably Queens Park. So yeah. All right. For this, go ahead and just get started. But trust me, tomorrow we might just stop like doing like full actually like doing like full routes, and then tomorrow we want to like get to like some actual stuff, because I know you guys are kind of like irritated on me. Because I know you guys are kind of irritated on me just like making the same old videos over and over and over again. But trust me, tomorrow we might be tomorrow we're gonna be doing a runway video. So yeah, don't worry. Okay, well that's loud. If for some reason there's something wrong with my stuff in here, because like every time like when I try to, because like I'm playing on my TV right now, but if I turn it up like this, it makes that noise for some reason. Because like every time like when I stream or something like that, no, because like when I like record to my Xbox, I'm sorry, like not record to my Xbox, like because I'm using an Xbox app, and like when I stream my phone to my Xbox, for some reason, it just makes that noise. I don't know why. And the wipers are so loud. It's so irritating. Oh no, Jesus. We are back in the terrible weather again. Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta set the key on. Sure. There we go. Okay, that's interesting. So I'm guessing like if you turn on the key thing on, then I'm guessing it's gonna turn on the lights. Man, shut up. I really do not like the whistle on this thing. It sounds weird. Actually, can I find the whistle on here? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I found the whistle. And there's another tube train. But trust me, y'all. Tomorrow we're gonna be actually like doing like some more videos. But starting tomorrow, we're not gonna just keep making the same old videos. We're gonna just do one more trains tomorrow. Come on, stop. And look, so if I turn off the key, if I can, hold on, man. If I turn off the key, see, the light is off, and then the marker lights are on. But if I turn the key on, it turns on. So I'm guessing there's not a headlight control on this thing then. That's interesting. Oh no! I clicked the wrong button. I was trying to turn on the Sanders. I was trying to turn on the Sanders. I clicked the wrong button. There's no Sanders on here? Oh, well, that's weird. There's no Sanders on here for some reason. So how can the train run? So how can the train get through the snow? Whatever. Are there safety systems on this train? Oh, for God's sakes. I forgot about that. I was trying to see if there's safety scissors on this train. Well, clearly there's one of them. I don't think there is any safety scissors on this train. I don't believe. I don't think there is. So there is layers that you can get inside this route. There is layers that you can get inside this route, but they'll only be available for AI services. And plus, the trains they drive on this side of the track, which is interesting, I guess. But that's just weird because they should. Because for some reason in the Bakerloo line, like the actual route, like the actual Bakerloo line route, this apparently like this overhead wire station over here is apparently not is apparently not working apparently. But see that's where because like they could at least just I don't know like maybe at least get rid of the at least just get rid of the freaking yeah like so like at least just get rid of the whatchamacallit and then have it working like jeez the invisible barrier I mean so just get rid of the invisible barrier and you know like just add this whole track so like you could like oh my god so therefore the overhead wire scanner should work because because like I said I think I said this yesterday no not yesterday like a few days ago I spawned in the class 323 the training system version and for some reason it wasn't working like it wasn't working and plus even though the pentagram was up it's like the overhead wires doesn't work for some reason it's like why not just I don't know I don't know that's just weird. It's just really weird. And these wipers are so irritating. Oh crap. No. If I do that then oh this is gonna be irritating. Dang. No, come on, I don't have a little slip on me. I might be late. Which is fine, I guess. I mean, we here for trains, we're not here to just be on time. And plus, I really don't care. Or I remember that you can change this. Oh, I didn't know that you can do this. Oh, that's cool. I think let me see. I did not know that we can do that. Oh wow. Oh. Wait, so that's our last stop, right? Wait. How you say it? Harrow? Oh yeah. Hmm. No, which left Harrow? Oh, that's cool. Huh. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm trying to. Huh. I did not know that you can do that. That is really cool. I don't know why I gotta be so irritated though with the wipers. my god. Okay. This scared me. I thought the thing was tipping over. I'm like, what the heck is this? This scared me for some reason. I don't know why. I thought it was a broken box or something like that. Actually, wait a minute. This doesn't look right for some reason. Hang on, is there another one of these? Oh. Where could we go through here? But that bug scared me though. I don't know why. Not sure what station is there. South Kensington. Which is like, you know, I'm gonna look up online and then I'm gonna see if the horn, like actually like in real life actually has this type of, like this actual type of whistle sound, because ain't no way it actually sounds like this in real life. Speed control, I can. Run back. Run back protection. What is that? Run back to protect and test. No safety systems. Brake test switch. Oh, what does that mean? What? Why is there no sanders on this train? Oh. That's interesting. Actually, I'm gonna turn this off because we really don't need this on right now. Oh yeah, and also there is one more day left till the Alvin and Chipmunks 2015 pack releases. Releases in early access tomorrow, so you guys will get your hands on that by tomorrow. I just got done editing the video, or I should say like editing the trailer. I just got done editing the trailer, so you guys should be expecting them probably tomorrow, maybe like early tomorrow, like early tomorrow, or I don't know, like probably like in the evening time. oppressor. Oh, no, 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 no. Control governor? Or control governor? What is that? Keep ATV? Okay, can I just, no, that doesn't do that. Going through a small tunnel. Wait, what? I thought you couldn't. Oh god! Okay, I was about to lose my stuff. That's interesting. I'm guessing he stopped at a. I'm guessing he stopped here. Yep, it's a terrace. Oh, oh my god! I thought it crashed on me for a second. This bridge could be perfect. Oh my god, that bridge could be perfect for the Romans. I wonder where does that track go to? Somewhere. What? Invisible God, I hate the invisible barriers. It's so irritating. It makes the game doesn't feel realistic when it comes to invisible barriers. Why invisible barriers are a thing in games? Like why? I don't get that. It's just so annoying. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm gonna be late anyway, so it doesn't really matter how fast I go at this point. Oh wait, no wait, that's the. Oh, that's oh, that's the train that we were on last time. I remember now. That's the track that we were on last time. Oh, please slow down. Holy crap. Oh, wow. How crazy. Alright. Oh, why are they so annoying? And you can even hear them from out here. Like, Jesus, man. We're at Queen's Park, right? I know, we're at Rosedale, of course. Next stop is Kenzo. I'm sorry. Kenzo Green. So, Transport 6 has another German route coming out. And apparently it's for Gen 9 and freaking, yeah, apparently it's for Gen 9 and PC players only. Of course it is! Like, Jesus, man! Y'all quit, like, can y'all, like, do they, like, why do, oh, I swear to God, bro. When it comes to Delta games, why do you always gotta leave Gen 8 out? Like, jeez, like, they always gotta leave, like, Gen 8 out. Like, Jesus, man. God, if the Scientific Gameplay Pack was available for Gen 8 and Gen 9 consoles, then I would have been had Cajon Pass and I would have been done a review of it. But apparently I don't, because Delta games like to be so. I mean, well, I know, because Delta games like to be such a B all the time, and freaking just like to just. Oh my God. Yeah, because freaking Delta games just like to be such a B all the time, and so yeah. It's just it's man. I always gotta be leaving Gen 8 consoles out, man. Jeez. Freaking the Manchester Airport is only. Oh my God, the Manchester Airport commuter is only available for Gen 9 and PC consoles only. Birmingham to Crewe. Birmingham to Crewe is apparently only available for Gen 9 and console players only. I mean, no, Gen 9 and freak, I can't speak. Gen 9 and PC players only. And then there's that German route, which I forgot his name. think it's like Stargate to Humbert or something like that. I forgot what it's called. But yeah. Oh, guess what? Available for Gen 9 and PC consoles. Jesus. Why did? I'm irritated. It's just that they're always leaving Gen 8 consoles out. Like, jeez. It's so irritating and annoying. Like, I mean, now, I know you guys are saying that I'm kind of over it. Oh my god. I know you guys are. Oh my god, I can't speak. I know you guys might be saying that I'm overreacting a little bit, but I'm just saying. They need to at least. Yo, I swear to God, if Transfer moves on to Unreal Engine 5 and then it won't be available for Gen 8 consoles, then I'm gonna be so angry. Because I thought Trains was for everyone. I thought Trains Row was supposed to be for everyone. I guess not. No, I thought Trains Row was meant to be for everyone, but I guess not. Queens Park, which might be all that stuff. I don't know. Because then I think like once we stop at, I mean, because I think like once we go past Queens Park, then this is when, I think throughout here to like here in this area is when we're gonna be ending up in the tunnels. Jesus, man, I'm taking these headphones off. Yep. So we're gonna stop at Queens Park and then we're gonna end it because, yeah. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't really feel like making any long videos for today. But tomorrow might be like a little bit over like 50 minutes because it might be like a derailment video, so that's gonna be kind of fun. So yeah, probably high speed derailments again. So yeah. So tomorrow might be two videos being uploaded tomorrow. There might be two videos being uploaded. One of them will just being the trailer for the Algorithm 2015 pack and the high speed derailment video. So yeah, which will be fun. What the heck? I swear to God, if I hit that red single, yo. No, let's just stop here. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video a lot, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notifications on so that you guys will miss out on any new changes I make on the channel. And also, like I said, stay tuned for tomorrow because tomorrow is gonna be a fun day for tomorrow. And also, stay tuned for probably either Sunday or next Saturday because Sunday is when we're gonna be revealing something big that's gonna be coming to Transfer. Okay, and also before I say so I'm gonna just say it one more time because either this Sunday or next Saturday is when we're gonna be announcing something that's gonna be completely brand new. Well, kind of new. Something something similar that we done back in the past in the summertime, and but it's gonna be completely whole. Oh my god, because it's getting like a full upgrade. Oh my god, I can't speak, but it's getting a full upgrade. New looks, new changes. I'm talking like new everything, new reskins, new yeah. So trust me, it's gonna be fun for that day. And yeah, I'll see you guys in this one. Love you guys a lot. Bye.